I've built out our element so we can camp in it, and that's probably as close as I'll ever get to having an RV. But as a boy, I was intrigued by all those camper trailers people hauled around behind their cars. The idea of a portable vacation home was so cool, and they looked far more comfortable than the canvas tents we used. I also suspected that cooking standard camp fare was much easier in an RV than over an open fire. But could I throw a fancy dinner party with dishes like smoked salmon stacks and beef Wellington and limoncello ricotta cake on something like this? I don't know. Let's find out. A friend has offered his camping trailer for this grand experiment, and I think it's doable. But I'll be ready with the franks and beans, just in case.